Alright guys, well I got the itch to open up some Surging Sparks, so we're going to open up some more Surging Sparks. These are loose packs that I bought on Rare Candy, so my expectations are not high. I do not expect to pull the Pikachu. I expect to pull 1,000 of those Melodic EXs for some reason. Seems like my pack opening skill is about 4 a minute. Watermelon, Charcadet, Terapagos. Alright, I've got 5 left. So we'll do the rest of them. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna open them up. We're gonna stack them, and then we're gonna go through all 5 at once. How does that sound? I was able to acquire a Terastal Festival box locally for 85 doll hairs. I'm just kind of sitting on it. I don't know if I should open it. I should buy another one and open this one or what. I don't know. You tell me. So here we go. EX4. Oh, we got the Latios. About time. Out of a loose pack, we got a Hydreigon EX. Alright, maybe our Surging Sparks luck is turning up here. Applin, Palkia, Code Card. I'm running out of hands here. Rhydon, Sandygast, Brooksish, and Iron Crown. Alright, so we didn't get anything in that first set. But here, look at what we got here. We got a Bruxish, a Hydreigon EX, a Latios, a Melodic Full Art, and then obviously that one. So let's get these sleeved up. I really wish I knew where my penny sleeves went. They just disappeared on me. I am most excited about this Latios here. Get these put into here. I've never seen this Bruxish. I don't know. It is a fish. Alright. Well, there you go. That's what we're looking at here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to go back and like that other video. The video right before this. The eBay mystery box opening to be entered to win these 2 packs of Surging Sparks. Thank you.